the history. If you can see here, this history, earlier I opened one trade with gold gave me $114. It was just I was checking the market trend, so I can just close the trend. Now you can see here GBP USD, it's $61, and here you can see that Bitcoin, which my target was only $200, but I got $534. Um, if you can see that I close this trade in front of you, and if you can see the time here, I opened this trade 12:39, and I closed this trade in 13:43. So means around 1 hour and 5 minutes I open this trade for me to get such profit. Hello guys, this is Swimber. I'm here to help and let you know how to trade with uh, Bitcoin and how you can make money every day, every minute even. But let's see when we can start with here, and we can talk about what's really Bitcoin is. Currently, if you can see, my screen is running. I opened one trade a while ago. I am having some trades open here, and you can see that there is market movements, and it's because it's a live trading, that's why you can see a market is going up and down. So first of all, I want to let you know what really Bitcoin is. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency without a central bank or single administrator. That can, it's really easy. The way that it's a logical money when you are trading in forex, and you can earn as much as you can. Basically, whenever you want to learn what moves Bitcoin price, so in the digital market, Bitcoin is a really good trend nowadays, and people really thinking that might be Bitcoin reach $100,000 per Bitcoin. So um, when you want to trade, then how you uh, need to trade, that are the strategies that you need to learn, and how you can manage your trade. So there are some ways that you can understand. There are we called it trade trading, trend trading, Bitcoin hedging, or hold buy trading. And I will teach you what are the best time, and how you can open trade, and what are the important factors that you need to understand before you trading. Let's talk about how you can do day trading. uh, Day trading Bitcoin. Day trading Bitcoin means that you will open and close a position with one single trading day, so you won't have any Bitcoin market exposure overnight. This means that you will avoid overnight funding charges on your position. This strategy could be for you if you are looking to profit from Bitcoin short-term price movement, and it can be enable you to make the most of daily volatility in Bitcoin price. Um, the second thing, how you can how to trend trade Bitcoin. It means that trend trading means taking a position which matches the current trend. For example, if the market is in a bullish trend, bullish means that it's going upward, and you can open and open trade, like you can buy a trade, and whenever market is going upward, you can buy that time, because forex trade is not like a stock exchange that you can buy it in a lower price and sell it in a higher price. But here, whenever market is going up, you can start buying, because whenever you can close the deal, that's the time you can earn money. Like market is too much high, like I open this trade, market is really high because it's 62,000 already, and as per my experience, I can see that I can easily earn here 100 to $200 within an hour or two, or even less, because market is movement, no one knows. Sometime market moves in 1 second, you can earn even $10,000. It depends on the market movement, because but at this point my target, if you can see, my target is $200. So I'm waiting for the profit for the $200, because I opened this trade just a while ago, and market is still running, and I'm just looking for good opportunity so I can close the trend. So so that's why when you open buy or sell trade, because such thing you need to understand more, because if you can watch this video full, and I can share with you more strategies and more things that you need to know before you start trading. So stay with me, so I can let you know that how you can have good margin in profit, and you can earn money easily whenever you got a chance to earn to open a trade. So let's say we can talk about Bitcoin strategies. Like some people buy and sell at the same time, whenever because they are not sure if market is going up or down. What they did, that they just open one trade for buy and one trade for sell, because this is a forex market. As I told you, forex market is really different than the other market where you can earn money. Now you can see that I am having a profit like $39. If I want, I can close it now with this profit, but I still don't want to close, because my target is minimum $200. So I am just waiting. If I can get a $200, then I will close the trade with profit. So we were talking about the Bitcoin hedging strategy. Hedging is the way that you can open trade upward and downward, both ways. We have another strategy which we called it hold Bitcoin strategy. Hold means that you want to trade with a long term. When you have a long term strategy, then you need more money, because that will give you good profit, but you need to have an extra money, because but for beginners, I will not advise that you can use such strategy which will not give you anything, um, uh, especially when you are trading with cryptocurrency. Better to have a small trade, and you can earn easily the target price you are looking for. um, how, if I can see, maybe you are thinking, how does Bitcoin forex trading work? So in the price of in forex trading, basically digital currencies are based on global supply and market metrics. So when demands for Bitcoin rises, the price increases. Trading Bitcoin is likely like trading anything else on exchange. You can trade dollars for euros through forex, and dollars for Bitcoin on the exchange. Um, uh, Maybe you will thinking that can I trade Bitcoin on forex? Yeah, you can trade. You can trade cryptocurrency at any platform. You can trade Bitcoin. There are more other platform available. Not only Bitcoin, there are available Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ripples. With there are some terms we use it called spread, but day by day you need to learn small items. This thing is not easy to learn very fast, but if you will just continue learning slowly, might be after, like, let's say, if you want to study, and if you really want, if you have really mind to earn money here using Bitcoin, you need to know the strategies that I'm going to explain you, how you can earn and how you can get the profit, and you can earn as much as you can. It also depends on the amount that you can invest. Um, so um, there are some other ways that, let's say, if you can think which is better, forex or Bitcoin. Um, Typically the forex market is seen as more accessible than Bitcoin because it can be traded directly through a broker, and there is a higher number of market participants to take the other side of a trade. In contrast, Bitcoin trading is less liquid and requires a wallet and exchange account. So, whenever you have trading with the Bitcoin, you better decide that you can trade with the with forex market, because forex market and trading with big Bitcoin is a good help for you, because forex market will give you leverage to buy Bitcoin, because if you, let's say, you are not able to buy one Bitcoin with $100. If you want to spend $100 or even $50, you cannot buy Bitcoin. But in forex market, whenever they will give you leverage, I will explain it to you, each and everything, whatever the things that make you feel confused. So you can understand what really market is going on and how the Bitcoin will work. Uh, some people thinking that maybe it's a scam, but this is not really scam. Okay, this is a very famous and very popular cryptocurrency nowadays, and people even earn millions in one night. It's really a good market, but just be careful that you need to choose a right platform where you need to invest money and you can have your profit anytime you want, because mostly people thinking that we will invest in a forex market and maybe it's scam. But before that, you need to search which company, which forex platform is better for you to earn money. So let's start a bit, so I can explain it to you that what else you can learn about it, and especially how do beginners trade Bitcoin. The first step is learn what moves Bitcoin's price. Okay, you need to know, you need to touch with the market, that what really what news or what are the factors that market moves as per the market. And secondly, you need to pick a Bitcoin trading style and strategies. What are the trading style and strategies? I will explain it to you also. Choose how you want to get exposure to Bitcoin. This is also one of the things that you need to know before you can start trading, that I will explain it to you. Decide whether to go long or short. Long or short means it's a buy or sell. Okay, we can some people use long for buy, and short for sell. These are different things that people use when they trade open for trading. Set your stop and limits. Why I asked you to stop, because sometime if you are trading and if you think that my trade is going, it's not good, so you better to put a stop loss. But I will explain it to you how to put stop loss to get some income, and you can understand. Here you can see on my platform, I'm already having 200 plus dollar here and $60 profit here. So this one, my target was $50. It's already 61, so I'm closing this one. This is basically a currency trade that I open. Uh, so I close this with profit, and now here I am already having 200 plus in Bitcoin. So all my target is reached, 200 plus. So I will close this trade now. I'm just waiting to get a little more, because I can see the trend is going little better in the form of going down. You can see the candle is going down very fast. So my profit is running now almost $300. So if you can see trend is moving fast, such way you can wait for this chart that you can see here. I will explain it to you how you can need to read such kind of chart to understand the market trend. These candles are very important when you are trading. Okay, why I'm telling you this? This is the most important things that you need to understand these candles, and I will let you know in a very easy way how you can understand the candle when you open a trade. See, my target was $200, but I'm having 300 plus dollar profit already. But I'm not closing because the trend is now moving downward, and it's a faster way going down. So I will just wait for a few more minutes, and if I can see the trend is maybe the trend will change, so I will close. Timing are very important here in the forex market when you open trade, because see, currently the time here it's in the market, there are some market have some news timing, so sometime we need to close the trade before the news, but we have some options to trade with the news, with some limit orders or some thing that we can manage to have our trade in a well condition. But whenever you see that trade is going in in your favor, you can wait, but there are ways that you need to close the trade, because sometimes market moves in a different way that maybe it will go against you again. So let's say I already have like 473 profit. Let's say I can just close this 550 profit I will close. So if you can see, I close my trade, even my target was not the 200, but the trend was little change, so I decided to have close this profit. And you can see here the strategies that I my profit here, it is $608 which I got with there are few things you can see here. There are some options what you need to do, what these are the history. If you can see here, this history, earlier I opened one trade with gold gave me $114. It was just I was checking the market trend, so I can just close the trend. Now you can see here GBP USD, it's $61, and here you can see that Bitcoin, which my target was only $200, but I got $534. If you can see that I closed this trade in front of you, and if you can see the time here, I opened this trade 12:39, and I closed this trade in 13:43. So means around 1 hour and 5 minutes I opened this trade for me to get such profit. So $534 you can have it whenever you open the trade. What these things you need to learn, and this thing you can implement whenever market is going in your favor. So less almost 1 hour you can earn $534, but it's also there are some things that we call it deal size. So deal size are very important also, and you need to know how you can manage the trade with what kind of deal size. So whenever you understand such things, then you can able to know how you can trade. uh, Bitcoin have different strategies, and different trend you need to manage. So when you are trying to make money with Bitcoin, and if you want to to learn more what how you can trade with speculation, because the speculation is not really that you need to learn. You need to know the news running on day by day basis. So when you have such experience, then you can understand that market is going in your favor. Trading Bitcoin derivatives may especially important when you are trading along different platforms. Derivatives with basically, if I will tell you what is trading Bitcoin derivatives. Trading Bitcoin's derivative with us means that instead of owning Bitcoin outright, you will be speculating on its price with CFD. So CFD is another department that you can learn time to time, but these things you don't need to know at this point, because this is not really important when you just if your target is just only like 25 to $50, because it depends how much investment you are able to do within this market, and how much money you want to earn. So if you target only 25 to $50 per day, then you don't need too much money to earn, because that the thing mostly people do. And but if your target is different, there are different strategy for different the amount that mostly what my target is every day only 200. Sometime see the market is go in your favor, and you can see the trend is really in your favor, and you can see that you have $534 profit in front of you, that I just opened 1 hour ago. Uh, so you need to decide whether to go for sell or buy, because trading financial derivatives make it possible to go both sell or buy position, depending on the current market sentiment. Uh, uh, Going for buy means that you expect Bitcoin price to rise, and going sell, that you expect the price to fall. So these are the things that you need to know when you set up your trade. So when you set up your trade, you better you set um, your stop loss and limit order. Okay, what is stop loss and limit order? Basically, when you trading, you need to know, especially these are the, if you can see my screen, that most important thing here are the things that you need to know. It's some strategies. So stop loss, limit order, these are very important. Take profit, very important thing when you can trade with the in your market, and you can easily, even you are working something, you don't have time to do, but you can just set the limit order that market will reach this point, and my trade will close automatically. Or you can put the stop loss that if you have a $10 loss or $5 loss, market will close your trade automatically. Take profit, you have the options that if let's say my target was 200, but I didn't use the I was not able to use, because I was aware the market trend is now really going down, so might be I will get a more profit. So if you able to see market front of you, and if you have time after you open the trade, then you can leave it, and no need to take profit if you think that you can give the time to your trade, so that you can able to understand and the market trend, and you can able to manage 300 $400 or whatever the market will give you. It depends on how you can trade with the market. So normally normal stop will close out your position at a set level, but they could be liable to a slippage. There is because there are sometime it happen that market moves very fast, so it will not close, but this is the thing that I can explain it to you later. There are one more things, we call it trailing stop loss or trailing profit, but this thing you need to know more time to time. But I will let you know what are the best way how you can manage your trade, um, especially when you open your computer and open trade. Better to monitor your trade, because if you are new and if you want to know what is really going on, to open a Bitcoin trade, you can buy if you had thought that the price was going to rise, or sell if you thought that the price was going to fall. Once your trade is open, you will need to monitor the market to make sure that it is moving in the way you anticipated. That anticipated how you can able to manage. That I told you earlier that these charts are very important, and there are one more thing that we called it technical indicators. There are some technical indicators available on our trading platform, and many platform it's available. You can determine which platform is best for you. There are a lot of platform available in the market that people can you can search, and you can choose which platform is better for you. So here I was try to explain it to you that take profit. Let's see this most important. I was telling you a while ago, long time, short time. Short time, what was the short time? What I did front of you, that I just closed within an hour. And you can see that 24 this market basically 24 by 7 Bitcoin. So there are available options to increase your trade, and you can hold, buy, and there are systems, electronics payment system. These things you can learn easily whenever you are ready to trade. I will teach you, I will let you know how you can do. You can just stay with me, and you can comment whenever you have any question, and what and when you are ready to trade. I will explain it to you that how you can read the chart. You need to understand the chart, how it's candles, resistance, supports level. You need to understand what are the resistance for today, and support level, because these are also very important to understand the market trend. So when you will make mistake, you will lose your money, because you don't have choice here to make a mistake. So better to open trade when you are clear and you are touch with the news, and you can understand what is going on. For the news, the best way, I will let you know that you use Twitter. Twitter is very best way to touch with the news, and you can follow, like, American president, Saudi Arabian president, oil industries like we called it OPEC president. So all, the big ministers, or like UK president, or high positions, are the people who are governor of this different countries, like state bank governor of, when you are talking about US, US have a central reserve bank, the governor and the president. You can just follow them, so you will aware. I will let you know which are the who is the one you can follow, and you can just touch with the market. So here are some tips I just asked you to do, so you can able to manage, and you can able to trade. But these important things important for you to understand first before you go with this market, because Bitcoin can give you everything you want, but you need to work hard, uh, to understand the market first. Okay, I'm not asking you just to go and invest money any platform and you can start earning money. This is not the way. I can help. I will give you the free courses. You can just come into my YouTube channel. I'm going to upload more channels regarding topics regarding bitcoins or trading online, how you can have some profit. If you can see that in 1 hour if you can have such profit, it's very good profit. $534 front of you. I just close the trade. Then how you can trade and how you can manage your amount. So this is the way you can just manage your account, and you can earn money as much as you can. You can, whenever you will have profit, you can withdraw anytime. It's like a bank account. Sometime it takes some, it depends on company, if they can give you withdrawal in 1 day, 2 days, or even within 24 hours or less than 24. It depends on the market that you are dealing with, who is your broker or whoever is the one you are going to trade. Because I'm not giving you advice, but nowadays there are some better companies available in the market. You can just search in Google and you can start trading with any broker. Nowadays I can see that eToro is a good company, XM is a good company that you can trade. But XTB, there are, but you can just look for the legit companies where you can start trading, and you will be saved, your money will be saved, and you will have every day different type of trade with the Bitcoin. Even you can use some currency, gold, or oil trading. There are different options. um, Basically what we can see in the market, that the people are really looking for Bitcoin trading, because Bitcoin is really going in a nice way nowadays, and it's the top currency, cryptocurrency that is in the market. And there are some more cryptocurrencies available, like Ethereum, Solana, Axie, Cardano, Binance, Wilder, many cryptocurrencies available in the market. But why people choose Bitcoin? It's really good for the people who want to earn money with a small amount, because this is really giving you a nice way to understand the market, and easy to earn, if you will give your pay your attention, if you really want to earn money using and trading with Bitcoin. While it's some people thinking, can a forex broker steal your money? This is not really like that. A forex trader, if your company is good, if you see that it's a reliable company you are working with, they give withdrawal even billions dollars per day. So just use a better platform, look for the nice companies where you can invest the amount, and you can understand their process, how you can withdraw. It's very rare that broker will literally steal his client money. Though that doesn't happen. Typically, the theft of investment funds come in from the other fraudulent violation of security laws. Mostly companies, if the company is good, they will never do that, because you are using their platform, and when you are using their platform, they are also getting the commission. And when they are getting commissions because of you, because you are trading, if you are trading, that's why they are getting commission. If you are not trading, if you remove your money from there, they are not getting any commission, because whenever you open the trade, they will just loss you if they can do something against you. So as I mentioned, whenever you want to withdraw, you can just go to their platform, go the withdrawal page, and just try to do things that will help you to to earn money and do the process of withdrawal and have your money. So I'm very thankful that you stay that long with me. I will give you more information if you need any help, or if you want to know how I can able to manage how much you can invest, how the amount you can earn, how it will work. Just put on the comment below. I can make more videos to help you guys, and you can try to make things better for you. Just give me subscribe my channel and wait for the more videos, and you can even ask me what kind of videos you want. I can prepare for you. I'm going to prepare some more lecture how to manage this platform, how to put stop loss, how to take profit, how we can manage to earn money, when to open the trade, and what we can um, do when we open the trade. And if you can see where I close, from there if I will not close, I already having some loss, but now I already closed the trade. So from that point, now if you can see here, the market is the I close it 6184. So here it's 6200, means market is going upward again. So this is the best time when I close with the maximum profit. So how much I got profit? $534, because the time when I close after that market start going up means I'm having a loss. So I stop the market when I'm having such profit. Why I close? Because I already understand the market trend, and the time you can see here, the time is going with as I told you, the time is very important. I will give you more lecture and detail regarding these things. Just subscribe my channel and stay with me, and I will let you know more about how this system work. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and let me know if you need anything, any help, so I can explain it to you how you can manage all these trade things. I'm really thankful that you spend this time and watch this video. I'm here to help, and I will help you how to make money trading with Bitcoin. You can easily earn $25 to $50 per day if you don't want to invest big money. If you are able to invest $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, it's a different strategy. But if you are just looking $25 to $30 or $50 with a small amount, then I can help you how to do that. But you need to follow the trend, and you need to inform me what you need to do, what you need to study, how you need to work. I can explain you each and everything, what are the things that you need to know more, so you are able to do that. I will thank you again that you stay with me here. Subscribe my channel, click the like button and bell button, so you can have the information with my next video. Thanks again. Have a nice day.